G'day and welcome to Ear Deals. Today I will be reviewing the Phonak TV Connector. The Phonak TV Connector connects to all of Phonak's Marvel ranges, which include Audeo, which are the receiver in the canal devices, the Virto range, which is custom made, and the behind the ear range, the Bolero. So if you want to understand how you can hear the TV better, please stick around as we review the Phonak TV Connector. Now what we have here is the most exciting part, which is actually unpacking the Phonak TV Connector box and what's actually inside. So here we have the nice little box with the packaging, the nice green throat through the middle of it. I'm going to take that off, and you've got sitting in the top here the TV connector itself. Now that TV connector visually has got some very key parts on it. This is your power button here, but when you turn your TV on and off, once that power button's actually pressed, the TV connector, when the TV is turned off, will actually go into standby mode. So you don't have to touch it again. Once it's set up, you don't have to touch it again. You also have here, for convenience, volume up and down as well. Important area here to note is that the TV connector gives you the ability to connect your TV to your hearing aids and listen at your volume. When you've got someone sitting next to you on the couch, for instance, they're using the remote control from the TV when you bought that TV to adjust their volume. So you'll actually have two different volumes for two different people sitting on the couch, and that's one of the big beneficial features of a TV connector. Particularly for people who have a hearing loss and are wearing hearing aids. I'll keep unboxing it. There's a few more things that are worth noting here. When you actually connect this device to your smartphone, for instance, it also gives you the ability to have a balance adjustment on the app. This will be done in the clinic. Your connection with your smartphone to your hearing aids will be done by your audiologist at Ear Deals. But for the instance of you knowing, you can actually balance the volume of the TV to the environmental sounds outside. So what that might look like is, say for instance, someone's in another room vacuuming and that's causing some interference with your viewing. Well, what you can actually do then is balance more TV at volume. Obviously, you can turn the volume up and down, but balance more TV coming through your hearing aids from the TV connector, rather than picking up some of that outside ambient noise. When we actually turn the device around, you'll see a couple of key components here. So there's two wires that will go in. One of them is the power and one of is the audio. This is your power here. Okay, that's a micro USB, and I'll show you that cable in a second. And this cable here goes into the back of your TV, and that gives you the ability to transmit the audio to this device, which then transmits that to your hearing aid. The hearing aids themselves, you need to turn them on and off, and that puts them in a pairing mode for approximately 3 minutes. To connect the TV connector to your hearing aids at the very start, you actually just press this button here, and that will then put that into a pairing mode, and you'll hear a signal through your hearing aids that will tell you when it's actually connected. I'll open up the rest of the box here. This is your power cable. So this is the one with the micro USB here. That goes in there. And then with the device, you'll also get a standard Australian plug for power. So that just goes into your mains power, and the larger USB goes into the base of that, just like your mobile phone. It's as simple as that. Now, if we're going into the rest of the device and what you actually get. So here we have the remaining contents of the TV connector box by Phonak, and this is your wires and a few other little bits and pieces. So there is a nice little catalogue here that shows you how the device connects to your TV, much like I've explained it there. Put that to the side. Some more information with compliance and that sort of thing. And then we have this extra box here. Now, inside this box you'll actually see there's a number of other cables, and this is depending upon where you're located and the type of TV that you've got. So these two cables are the audio sources. Now you'll either use one or the other depending upon the TV that you've got, and that actually then, if you look at the back of the TV connector again, you'll see that little round hole there. That's these two here, and then that end goes into your TV if you use that cable. Otherwise you can use the audio source cable there, the AUX. And the final thing that comes in the box is these, and these are little Velcro patches, and they're designed so that you can stick the Velcro patch on the base of the TV connector and then stick that to your bench. So the TV connector, because it's quite light, it'll stop it from moving around your table and getting caught into things. So there we have the TV connector by Phonak, unboxed. At Ear Deals, all our hearing aid prices are available online in full transparency, alongside our free hearing aid service package. To see our prices online, please visit www.eardeals.com.au. Our standard of testing includes real ear measurement, or REMS. Ear Deals conducts a full diagnostic free hearing test, so you know that the quality of our testing matches the quality of our big brand hearing aids. Finally, Ear Deals has the National Safety and Quality Health Service Standard. We are one of only a few hearing clinics who have this high level of accreditation in Australia.